Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact form in GoDaddy Website Builder. Let's scroll up slightly to our Contact Us section. With it highlighted again, I'll click into it. Here, you can configure your WhatsApp chat button, your contact form, your hours title, heading description, your business name, address, and other information. For this tutorial, I'll scroll back up and I want to configure the contact form section. To do that, I'll click into Contact Form. Here, you can manage your contacts, and if you scroll down, you can add and edit different form fields on your contact form. Currently, we have an option for the name, email, message, attachments, and send. To add in a new form field, click on the blue Add button. Depending on the nature of your brand and business, you can choose to collect more detailed information about your web visitors here. I'm happy with the defaults on my contact form, so I'll click on Done. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.